Gebo. This device has been catalogued as the first social robot for the whole family. The invention responds to a person's mood and behaves accordingly while trying to help the user. Gebo can recognize all family members and find a way to communicate with each one of them. In addition to communication, this invention can also serve as an assistant to keep track of your emails and messages. The robot is equipped with wireless communication modules and can read information from any connected device. In addition, Gebo can help in the kitchen, obtaining information about different dishes on the net. Therefore, the user does not have to read the recipe from the book, he only has to ask the device for help. This robot has a price of $500. Robel. This robot's equipped with a removable surveillance camera and a mobile monitoring system. The device can patrol and monitor the house for a certain period of time or throughout the day, alerting owners or police of any suspicious situation. Motion sensors allow the robot to overcome different obstacles in its path, and thanks to its facial recognition system, the user will always be aware of the presence of strangers at home. Robel is also an ideal tutor for children and a home assistant. At all times, it can help the user communicate with family members, manage smart devices, and more. The cost of this new development is $350. XPi Dur. This small robot spider the size of your hand can see surrounding objects, navigate in space, and recognize faces. The eyes of the device are a camera that allows it to observe everything that happens around it and react to external stimuli. The videos made with this camera will be sent to the user's smartphone or tablet, allowing them to observe what's happening from the robot's point of view. In addition, XPi Dur can dance when the user is nearby and send an alarm when it detects the presence of a stranger. This robot will cost $150. Gebo. The device is designed to teach programming. In order to use the device, the user must assemble the robot on their own using special instructions. This invention, similar to an ant, can perform classic robotic tasks like following a path or escaping from a labyrinth, among others. Thanks to the pre-installed programs, Gebo becomes an intelligent toy. The application for mobile devices allows you to control the toy ant via Bluetooth, and the gadget can recognize the environment with the help of an artificial intelligence system. With the help of additional modules, the owner can expand the robot's functionality according to his or her preferences. The entertainment device is priced at $130. Cruiser. According to the creators, this android uses cloud technologies and represents a new generation of robotic assistants. The robot's equipped with flexible hands that can rotate 360 degrees, a voice module, a screen, and a built-in camera with facial recognition technology. In addition, the robot has great mobility, since it uses 17 servo motors to move, being able to perform basic operations, but also to greet people with a handshake or even dance. Unfortunately, the manufacturer has not revealed the cost of this robot. Bigeye. This robot can understand voice commands, recognize faces, and interact with various devices. The gadget can suggest the user to warm up if the temperature in the street is below certain levels. It can also turn on the music to brighten up a party and listen to the voices of family members. Bigeye can be considered a faithful robot since it obeys only the voice of its owner. It's worth noting that this invention can learn new things. Using its voice and different gestures, the owner can teach it new functions. In the future, the developer expects user instructions to form the character of the robot, making it a more productive assistant. The device will cost buyers $750. IFrame. This robotic toy is an open-source device. According to the developers, you can change this universal robot in different ways and configure it to perform different tasks, depending on your wishes and needs. The device is equipped with intelligent units and a complex system of sensors, which allow it to navigate in space and instantly perform any command. In this case, the robot owner can increase the number of program actions to 300. The cost of this small mechanical humanoid, which comes in 3 different versions, is at least $180. Moorbot. The robot, equipped with a mobile camera, recognizes voice commands and faces, as well as being able to speak and even sing. Externally, it resembles an eye with a pronounced facial expression, which reacts emotionally to your commands. The electronic assistant can inform the owner of the latest news and weather forecast, read books to you, or put on some music. The robot uses online information, but you can regulate the amount of data and access to it using a special application. Creators recommend using the device not only at home but also in offices, hotels and restaurants, where Moorbot can communicate with visitors and entertain them. This device is priced at $250. Honeybot. This interactive robot, developed by a Chinese company, can become a toy, a teacher, and even a friend for children. Several technologies were used to create this cute device. The combination of 3D effects, an image recognition system, augmented reality technologies, and several pre-installed applications make this technical novelty a unique assistant in the education and training of children. A special mode of work allows parents to talk to the child, posing as Honeybot. The young user can take care of the robot, feeding, sleeping, bathing, and playing with it. Parents can limit the child's communication with the robot at certain time intervals. This development has a price of $230. Pepper. This exceptional robot can act as a home assistant. It turns on and off TVs, air conditioners, or lighting equipment after hearing a voice command. In addition, Pepper can be a nurse for young children and a companion for the elderly, while the robot's camera can transmit video in real time to the user's smartphone. Another function of the gadget is the recognition of a person's mood according to his or her voice. Based on this, the robot can suggest certain exercises. The developer ensures that their invention can even interact with business customers, as well as being an excellent storyteller. Unfortunately, we couldn't find out the price of this development.